purchased something major. This is an ingredient, and I don't generally buy such large quantities of things, but since I was able to find it, I couldn't resist. So this is, let's get it open, something I've been waiting for ages. Just put it in the sink since that's disposable. I'm so excited. Oh, this is my Perfumery alcohol. I have been waiting for this for a long time. This is not what I was expecting. This cost me like $100. So if you're wanting to make high quality perfume or little alcohol pocket packs for hand sanitizers, I would suggest you get something like this. This is 99.9. Let me just check. It should say on here why it's not rated. I don't know. We shall see. Blah, blah, blah. If you want it, you can get it at Botanic Universe. It's actually a pretty good price, but shipping is high. So yeah, it's going to cost you, but then you'll have the right stuff and you won't have all those nasty, nasty after smells that isopropyl alcohol has. And this is a very, very high grade alcohol. So if you enjoyed this, come back this weekend while we make something wonderful with our Perfumery grade 99 ethanol. So it's actually an ethanol. And there's very little scent there at all. So that's going to make a wonderful, wonderful perfume. It's actually got scent similar to my Sugar Shine, but not quite as pronounced because I actually did use fruit in my Sugar Shine. I'm not sure what this is made with, but it just very, very lightly scented. So anyway, this is not for human consumption. It has been denatured. So if you enjoyed this, please come back on Wednesday and Saturday to see what we make with it. Perfumery alcohol. Bye for now.